an electric car with a body made of plants. Before we begin, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to get more wonderful updates on your favorite cars. Liux Geko is a micro EV with a body made of plants. The lightweight electric car sports a modular battery pack allowing for an estimated range of 93 miles. Liux, a Spanish startup focused on sustainable EVs, presented a new project called Geko. The urban EV is a smaller and more affordable follow-up to the animal crossover, which appeared in late 2022, following the same eco-friendly principles. The Liux Geko features the typical single-box proportions of microcommuters, with sporty details like sculpted bumpers, large diameter wheels, and thin LEDs. However, the standout feature is the sustainable biocomposite material used for both the monocoque structure and bodywork, made from linen fibers and bio-based resin. Liux intentionally leaves the material unpainted to showcase the carbon fiber style weave pattern. The production process also involves a lot of 3D printing, which the company claims reduces manufacturing times and slashes CO2 emissions. Measuring at 2,700 millimeters, 106.3 inches, in length and 1,500 millimeters, 59.1 inches, in width, the EV is 290 millimeters, 11.4 inches, longer and 110 millimeters, 4.3 inches, wider than a Citroën Ami, but still falls within the smaller range of vehicles on European roads. The Geko is classified as an L7E heavy quadricycle, which means its rear-mounted electric motor is limited to a power output of 20 horsepower, 15 kilowatts/20 PS. As per segment restrictions, the EV weighs just 550 kilograms, 1,213 pounds. One of its standout features is the modular 13 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which enables an estimated range of 150 kilometers, 93 miles, and is both recycling-ready and future-proof for upcoming advancements in technology. What do you think about the Liux Geko car? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. For more wonderful updates on your favorite cars, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel before you leave. I appreciate your interest and hope to see you on the next one.